miss the times when we could hang out and have fun without the troubles in my life. We can do better, promise it will get better. I miss the times when there was room for everyone. We were just playing in the sun.